Now, something to note before we get too far into adding and subtracting is that you should always put polynomials in order of largest exponent or power first, as well as alphabetical. Okay, you should always put polynomials in order of largest exponent or power first, as well as alphabetical. So looking at the other examples, okay, 2x is going to have a higher exponent than 1. Now remember when we talked about exponents in the last example, or sorry, in the last unit, okay, anything with a variable has a little 1. Okay, so this would be an example of putting in numerical order by power. This would be an example of putting it in alphabetical order. They both have a power of 1, but x becomes before y alphabetically. Okay, and then down here, another example. X squared is higher than just x, which is higher than a constant. And a is alphabetically before b, which is before a constant as well. Okay, and we'll talk more about those with the rest of the examples. So, first we're going to do is add and subtract. Okay, simply put, the instructions will be to simplify the following expressions. And to confirm that the order of the terms is correct. Okay, show all work. Okay, now sometimes you will not have work, but that just means that if there's supposed to be work, you need to be showing it. Okay, so for number 1, you have the quantity, which means parentheses, 6x plus 7 quantity, plus the quantity of 3x plus 3. So in this example, we're adding a binomial to another binomial. And we want to simplify the expression. So therefore, we want to combine like terms. So you always want to start with the highest order or highest power or exponent. So looking at this, you have x's and you have constants. Well, which one's higher? That would be the x terms. So when you're adding and subtracting your terms, we look for what is common. So we have 6x and we have 3x. Now if I have 6x plus 3x, I'm just adding the coefficients. So 6x plus 3x gives us 9x. Then we have plus 7 plus 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So I have simplified my expression and it is in the right order. Number 2. (13x minus 4) quantity plus negative 6x plus 9. Okay. So we look at our numbers and would say, how do we combine those? So we have 13x and negative 6x. So when we combine 13x and negative 6x, we should get a value of positive 7x. And we have, negative 4 plus 9. So the difference of that would be plus 5. Okay. Let's go ahead and give you number 3 to try. Quantity 25a squared minus 14a plus the quantity, excuse me, of 17a squared minus 8a. Okay, take a second and solve that problem.